Hi friend, welcome my channel. Today I will discuss how to Endmember collection of hyperspectral data and n-dimensional visualizer. So at first open the flash data or hyperspectral data. At least open the minimum noise fraction MNF data and pixel purity index PPI. So let's start. Open the three data. There is the minimum noise fraction and this is the pixel purity index. Open here and at least RGB color to open the class data 33 to 23 and 13. There is the class data. There is a class data. Open the PPI image. So right click to quick statistics. There is the statistics of PPI image. So basic statistics band 1 minimum and maximum. Minimum is the 0 and maximum is the 3016 3016. This is the copy, not copy. There is the write down this maximum value 3016. So overlay to region by interest. Region by interest and option to band threshold to ROI. Input MNF image. Input pixel purity index image. Okay, there is a quick statistics. Right click and note write down this maximum and minimum value here. Input minimum value not a 0 but 2 and maximum value 3016 316 3016. So okay, there is the 6672 points were found with the given threshold. Make one ROI from this list. Yes, this is the complete and yes, go to the spectral and n-dimensional visualizer to visualizer with the new data. Input here minimum noise fraction data MNF data. Okay, there is the n-dimensional controls. Want to check this all 10 bands 10 here because this is the minimum noise fraction data is the band 10, so here 10 bands. So option to show axis and there is the 10 axis of this image. The reduction and increase and decrease this the speed of this n-dimensional visualizer. Here I am choose the 40 is the speed and etc. To start to this start and pause. This is the right. This is the right click and export class to new class. New class and draw this and right click export class to new class. Start. There is the end point of this portion is the collection of the Endmember or the pure pixel. So export class and new class. Start to export to new and start export and new. new class. There is the complete this Endmember collection process. So export the class and file to save ROI. Select and save this process. Use this file and check the yearly pixel of this image. So tools to link to display PPI image and flash data image link display and okay. There is a link of this data. So there is the bent class 1 and right click and go to. The rate is there is the a pure pixel of this portion. So green and go to. There is the pure pixel here and go to 2 pixel here the pure pixel. Here the water body is the pure pixel. So at least go to the cyan is the pure pixel. So collection or next is the ROI of this pixel and magenta and go to magenta is the pure pixel of this particular portion. So check the pixel and of the check the ROI or pure pixel of this class data. To at first is the class number 1 and go to there is the here is the pure pixel. Next is the 8 is the pure pixel. Here is the pure pixel red sea green and next is the here this is the magenta is the pure pixel. Hyperspectral data accurately classification of these particular features of these minerals of this vegetation, not only full image classification. So here is the collection of the pure pixel of this image. This is the pure pixel of this image. So blue is the pure pixel. So new region, this is the new region and is the image click windows and create polygon particular features. This is the pure pixel. Here is the name is the vegetation color of this green and next is the This is the water body, class number 7. Here is the pure pixel of this pure pixel. So there is a pure pixel. So new region, this is a new region, and zoom to create polygon. There is the pure pixel. There is a pure pixel. So water body, name change, water body. There is the two signature or ROI from this image. Hyperspectral data, not only full image classification, there is the pure pixel image classification. So vegetation and water body, this is the create a signature and delete this others ROI. And file to save. So file to save ROI and select all the uncheck and water body vegetation and number of 2 items select and output name ROI of this image and output name and OK. There is a save. That is the Endmember collection is the complete. And next video is the spectral angle mapper, how to ROI use to image classification, hyperspectral data image classification of the spectral angle mapper or linear spectral unmixing or binary encoding. There are no subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel and share to latest update or remote sensing and GIS or GPS or hyperspectral related work. This is my channel. Thanks for watching latest. Thanks for watching.